I showed my client a mirror just to check if she likes the pre-drawing. If she all accepted, then I show her also the color. The color I put in the forehead, so blend it and smash it to show her the effect when the color it will be a fresh and when it heals. So she have to see it also the difference. The darker one is of today and the faded one is after 4 weeks. I remove the color and I start pre-drawing. So the pre-drawing of the skeleton only. So now we have the shape, the outline, and now is the time for the skeleton. I start always from the divider. So I divide the hair, which are growing different direction. And then I start to do also the hairs from the skeleton. Please make sure that you do only the skeleton starting from beginning, because you cannot make too many hairs. It will be very difficult to catch up. You can do this with a marker, you can do this with concealer, you can do it with any tool that it will help you. The most important fact is that the skeleton that is also available in the PDF file, it needs to be adjusted to the client hair growth direction. So it's not like I'm not taking there out of nowhere. And now I'm gonna zoom it a little bit to show you why I choose this and why I'm putting the number, because I want to also explain you why the numbers are there, because I'm calculating how many hair stroke I put upper part and then lower part. Now, if I put this type of the hair stroke, I want to make sure that both sides are actually looking the same. So if I know that on the tail upper part, I'm gonna put 3 big hair stroke, and obviously I'm gonna just mark them how many are. Then I'm gonna do exactly the same thing on the other side. This is very important just to start from the beginning. This is why I'm doing that kind of the small pre-drawing. Make sure that also whatever is gonna happen, it needs to happening also on the other side. So that's why I'm using the caliper quite often, and the caliper, it helps me just to calculate the distance between the divider to the front side of the eyebrows. So divider is my starting point, and divider, it will show me also how long I can move forward with the hair stroke. Because as I say before, skeleton is the only option that we can pre-draw before we starting going with the machine. So that's why I'm calculating and putting the number on the client forehead. Obviously, I don't show it to my client. This is only for me and also for you, just to explain. With the time, then you will understand how to calculate better. But this is a very important part, just to make sure that your skeleton, which is also included as a PDF file, it's really well trained on the latex and on the normal paper, so you understand the movements later on the client's skin. But now I just want to show you that that kind of the pre-drawings are done from one side to the other. Now I'm gonna zoom it and show it to you better. So you can see one starting over here, and then skeleton 2, and then you see, and then the next one, it comes longer, which is 3. This is how I measure them. And this is my skeleton. And those are the front strokes. So however strokes, I can put it and I can just mark them with the dots. And I do it exactly same on the other side. I check both sides, I calculate the numbers, and then I start working with the machine.